Why we need to awaken. Again, we are spirits or energies, and we come from a powerful energy that is the source of all creations. We are presently in this material realm, for we are to have a temporary human experience. And in order for us to have an authentic human experience, when we incarnate or weave our human flesh, we all go through the veil of forgetting. We start our human journey forgetting what we are and the reason for being here. As long as we do not remember what we truly are, we are likened to souls in deep sleep, unaware of what our powers are, unaware of what we are capable of, unaware that we can create heaven on earth, as above, so below, and most of the time, suffering. As our bodies grow and our minds mature, our souls or energies are also supposed to evolve. If it started from the level of not knowing or ignorance, it is supposed to rise up to the level of knowing or being enlightened. Thus, the need to awaken. We need to awaken to powerful truths. We need to awaken to be able to reach that level of enlightenment. We need to be able to tap into the heavenly realms so we can create heaven on earth. We need to awaken to finally put a stop to the sufferings and be able to experience a pleasant, abundant human journey. Awaken and remember what you truly are. Love, light.